Hey guys, welcome to my course. Have you ever had an idea for a product, an app, or a website, but you didn't really know how to explain what exactly it is or what exactly it does? How many times have you talked to a co-founder or a team member and you're trying to explain something, and in the middle of that explanation, you just kind of stop and just wish that you could have built it and then just showed it to them? This is actually a common problem, and people who are entrepreneurs, product managers, people who work for web and marketing agencies, they have this problem all the time. A lot of times people ask me and they say, I have an idea, but I have such a hard time explaining it. How can I get rid of this uncertainty and this ambiguity? Fortunately, there's a little technique called rapid prototyping, and it can save you a ton of time and save you from tons of headaches down the road. It can take the power of creation and put it in your hands and not your developer. Rapid prototyping is the technique where you take an idea and you turn it into something you can display, something you can interact with and show to someone as if it were real, and you do that very quickly. This course is designed for a wide range of people because a lot of people can benefit from being able to rapid prototype. It's not just entrepreneurs and growth hackers and designers, it's all sorts of people, small business owners, people who work for agencies, anyone who ever needs to explain a product or a feature idea to anyone. Anyone who wants to take their ideas and be able to display them professionally and interactively in a very short period of time, this course is for you. We're gonna cover a ton of awesome techniques in this course. I'm gonna show you how to navigate the confusing world of UI, UX, user experience, all that jargon, all that terminology. I'm gonna show you what information and what theory you need to know before you start, what's important, what's not, where to start, what tools to use. I'm gonna go over the theory and the frameworks that we here at SprintKick use to make killer prototypes. I'm gonna cover what to include, what not to, how to keep track of everything, what you need to know before you start. We're gonna cover how do you make the creative magic happen, and how do you do that with just a pen and a paper and a tiny bit of free time. And if you've never dealt with websites, don't worry. I'm gonna show you step by step, and I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for you. We're gonna cover how you tackle the art of wireframing. And we're gonna do that with two of the most popular tools out there, Balsamiq and Pidoko. Finally, we're gonna bring all this together, and I'm gonna show you how you can take your idea, make it interactive, tappable, deployable, and be able to show that to real people, whether it's investors or customers or team members. And the best part about this entire skill set I'm gonna teach you, you can do this in half a day. And you can do this without any code. That means you don't need to understand any programming whatsoever. I've made this for people who are completely non-technical. There are so many different ways you can benefit from using rapid prototyping, whether it be in your career or your own project that you're starting up. Looking for investors and investment? Well, show them exactly what you mean when you say, I'm gonna build this is what it's going to do. Stand out from the crowd and show them exactly what it is, not just a business plan. Trying to explain to your team a new feature? Don't just try to explain it to them, show them exactly what it does. Need real, unbiased feedback from your users? Put them in a real simulation. Don't just get their opinion. Want to win over more clients and add some kind of a secret sauce to your proposals? Don't just show them an estimate, show them a real live demo. There are tons and tons of use cases where you can use rapid prototyping to excel your career. So if you want to learn how to finally cut all that miscommunication and misunderstanding and learn how to effectively communicate in tech, do yourself a favor, join my course. I would love to see you in there.